Hey, Vedant, rank 51. So cool. Okay, give me 5 minutes. Actually, I wanted to share something as well. So here, someone tried to hack this Tor hat account and Vichel account. So yeah, just hang on a second. Advanced essential skills. Let's just, think it's better to change something. Just give me 5 minutes. I'm working on something. Mm-hmm. 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 Cool. Essential skills. Well, let's just here. Do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. Next. 1, 2, 3. I think that's it. Let's go. All right. Let's see how it goes. All right, where were we? Oh, you're doing Narnia. So cool. Okay. Um, so someone tried to hack my VChell account. They just kept bombarding some failed login attempts, and this is their IP address. So yeah, this is crazy. I mean, like, why would someone try to attack? It feels like I'm getting too much attention, and that's working not in my favor. Something's wrong. So they tried to attack me and they just failed it. So they might have tried to block my account or something, but anyhow, their efforts are futile. So it didn't work. Anyway, still my account is there. So no worries. Everything's fine. Everything's good. And shall we continue? All right. So cool. Okay. Um. Yeah, they were script kiddie. Whoever tried to mm, hack this account, they were just script kiddies, and possibly they don't have any life, so they were trying something to hack my account, but still they're not able to do it. And that's good, actually, that's good for me. Mm-hmm. Actually, I cannot see my stream. So you can see my stream, right? Okay. Okay, cool. We have 3 more viewers. Okay. So anyhow, I was saying that someone tried to hack my Tor hat account, and their efforts were futile. There were some script kiddies. They were just trying to hack this account, but still, they're just trying to block my account or something. So I'm getting too much attention. Maybe that's good or bad. I'm not sure, but still, uh, if it's working, then it's working. Okay, let me get back to work. So where we left off last last time. Okay, Natus 12. Okay, cool. Let me see the chat. Okay, delete. Yes, delete. Yes, log off. So, yep. Now, should I open this browser? I think this. Yes, Vedant, we left off at Natus 12. So let's go back. Natus 12. Okay, Natus 12. Okay. Okay, I think I can type this. Natus 12. And it works. So, it is asking to choose a JPEG file that's under 1 kilobytes. Too many files, and it's most okay. I cannot decide here. Anyhow, let's go to over the wire. Okay, I'll create another okay, I cannot create it here, so anyway, let me go here, documents, open, over the wire, bandit. I'm gonna move everything in that natus, and in this what we're trying to do, we're trying to go for natus 12. It might need some file which we don't have. Anyway, so let's create a file, JPEG file, using this screenshot. Okay, so select a region. Okay, and let's select some small thing. Let's like choose. Okay, let's save it right here. All right, so now we have a screenshot. Let's rename it to STF a little bit. Okay, it's PNG now. Is PNG possible? I think yes, can upload PNG and upload it. Before that, you just view the source. Okay, error uploading the file, try again. So it's not taking any JPG files, so let's use PNG to JPG. Let's cancel PNG JPG. It's much quicker this way. So documents, over the wire, natus 12, open, drag and drop, download, and done. Okay, so okay, now I have a JPG. Control X, documents, over the wire, rank post. Very important to stay organized, so I would do that eventually. So what was I doing? Okay, uploading, upload documents, over the wire, natus 12 JPG. Okay, cool. Let's upload this. Okay, error uploading the file. What does it mean? Okay, max 1 kilobyte. Okay, so maybe that's the issue. Oh, it's 2 kilobytes. Okay, so that's the issue. Okay, cool. Okay, so I have to do this again then. Let's see. Can I compress it? Screenshot, take a region, and let's say off. And okay, save and ASDF. Let's remove this. Looks like this did not work. File.jpg. Okay, cool. Save. Let's see if it is under 1 kilobyte. File.jpg. Yes, it's exactly 1 kilobyte. Maybe it would. Okay, it would not allow me to do that. Okay, it's going out of hand right now. Let me remove these things. I'll just say this much. This much would probably be under 1 kilobyte. Let's say file.jpg. Let's see. Okay, it's the same thing, but this time you're selecting this and upload. Okay, it creates an upload. Cool. Hey Tanmay, nice to see you here. Okay, it's under 1 kilobyte, so it accepts the upload. Okay, cool. So let me just intercept this. Upload. I intercepted this. Okay, so we have 1 kilobyte over here. So let me change this to PHP and change this to PHP. Let's change this to application x PHP. Okay, so all these are changed. Now it would probably work. Let's see. Okay, let me see if it actually accepts it. Okay, it accepts it. So now I need to do what I need to do is I need to change this to actual PHP payload so that it would run on the browser. Okay, cool. Okay, let me see. We have few viewers over here. Okay. Cool. Let me see. Let me go back to this. Back. Intercept again. Upload. Okay. So let me change all those things. PHP. PHP. And application xphp. Okay, cool. So now we'll remove all of this. Yeah, jfif is also removed. So I have to write some PHP. Let's see. So we'll write the standard PHP thing. So what we can do is we can say pass through function, and in this pass through function we can say that you have to get the request from get request, and in that get request let me keep something. Okay, whatever that I can think of is okay, HM Cyber Academy. Okay, so okay, I can do this. Let me send this and hopefully it accepts. Okay, cool. So now I open it in a new tab. It says okay, it seems to be running. So all I can do is say, let's say HM Cyber Academy equals to ls. I don't think if it accepts equals to. Okay, it accepts. Oh my god, so many people just dumped all the data inside this file. And even some people made an XSS. Oh, cool. Okay, right. So next thing that I would do is, let's say cat slash etc slash natus underscore webpass natus 13. So it should dump this file. Okay, cool. So now we got this. Let's say natus 13 this, and to verify that we have to say natus 13 and remove this index.php, and let's say okay, natus 13 paste this. Okay, let me see any people in the chat. Okay, it's cool. So not signed in. Okay, okay, it works. Let's go back to this, and we need to upload it to war games, war boxes, and here we have natus right here, and here natus 13, just dump it over here, check it, and let's check the rankings. Let it load. All right. Okay, did it update? Looks like it did not. So I have to just reload it again. Okay, now it updated. Okay, 3787. Are you sure? Let me reload. Okay, 3787 and rank 54. Let me update that. Rank 3787 and rank 54. Cool. And okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, this one also does the same thing. Let's choose the file and let's upload this by intercepting this. Let's do everything same like we did before, and PHP and PHP, and let's remove this, and let's say PHP pass through, and okay, sorry, HM Cyber Academy, and okay, I need to be telling this as underscore get, and in the brackets this, right? Okay, so this, not the brackets, I forgot this. All right, so this should work. Let me see if it works. If it doesn't, we need to bypass something else. So I'll just save this payload right here, and let's send it, and hopefully, okay, we now accept images only. So it doesn't change it. What to do now? Okay, so need to do something. Okay, let's go back. Let's do the same thing, but this time we'll come up with some idea. Right, it's the same thing. But I'll just change something here. Okay, so somewhere in the middle I'll paste this, not in the beginning. Okay, somewhere in the middle. But instead of doing like this, I'll just say that let's do this, because it's somewhere in the middle and it's in a singular line. So if it reaches this line, it would execute this payload. Okay. So what to do now? Okay. So I think I forgot to change this. Let's see. Application X PHP. Let's see. Should I change this name? File.php. Let's see. Let me change this as well. I think it's going to check the magic bytes in the beginning. Let's do the same thing, everything, but still, let me see this. If it actually works, that's really cool. Okay, we now accept only images and only. Okay, this file has been uploaded. That's cool. Anyhow, okay, so it's trying to execute something and it says, okay, we don't accept this. Okay, that's cool. So let's go and get the flag, HM Cyber Academy. And in here, let's say cat/etc/natus_web pass natus 14, and it should give it. Let me see the chat if it any active members. Okay, no. Okay, we have this. Hopefully this is the flag. We have a couple of ways to verify this. Natus 14, this, and let's see, 14, natus 14. Okay, hang on. Natus 14. Okay, it works. Okay, so let's go here. Let's say natus 14, and this is how you increase the rank. Let it load. Let me see the chat. Okay, 133 points. Cool. And let me reload this. Okay, 3713. Interesting. We have 2 more country ranks passed. We're getting closer, and it's one step at a time. Okay, so for the viewers, I'm gonna say something. The secret to success is to never miss a day, because sometimes you get lucky, right? And you can never miss a lucky day if you try every day. So with that, let's continue. Okay, did I change the rankings? Okay, cool. Now it is 14, right? Okay, I reached 14. I think I should type it here. Okay, I'll just take a moment to type success. Okay, I'll just say shortcut to success. Okay, hang on. Okay. Okay, done. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, we have a login page, and whenever we see a login page, we want to try something, right? So basic SQL injection this is the way to check it. Okay, access denied. So you can say this, access denied. Okay, cool, I understand your pain. So let's use double quotes instead of single quotes. Let's see. Okay, we have an SQL error, which means it is using double quotes somewhere in the in something. Okay, so it should be something like select star from users where username equals to name and password equals to password. Okay, this is the standard form that we can think of. By placing a double quotes here, you mess the whole SQL statement. So this is how you do it. So we confirmed that this is an SQL payload. So what we can do is we can extrapolate this with double quotes or something equals to something. So I think this is a special character, this is not this thing. So I need to change some preferences and say that special characters enable smart codes. So I just need to remove that. Okay, so once this is done, this is no longer a smart code, this is a normal double quote. Okay, and done. So you don't need to keep anything like ASTF or login or whatever, HM Cyber Academy. You don't have to keep anything. So let's try without keeping any kind of login page, and we still didn't get anything. Interesting. So let's try Academy and let's say 1 1. Let's see how it goes. Okay, access denied. So we're missing something over here. So we're doing this, but we're not closing this thing, right? So we're not closing this over here. Okay, let me do that over here. But we still have rest of the command. So we'll just close it with some comments. Okay, we'll do this and this. So hashtag is a generalized command for most of the databases. So we can do this and okay, let me just copy only these two characters and done. Let's see. Okay, cool, we got it. No problem. Let me see the chat. Okay, cool. Nate is 14, done. Let me see, Nate is 15. Paste, enter. Okay, now we don't have this thing. Okay, we don't have a password, we do only have a username. Before that, let me do this. 15 and done. All right, so we're done with 14 and let's go back to Firefox, paste it, check if it actually exists, and we'll just reload it over here. 3701. Let me see if it actually updates the database. We're at page 75. Let me see how many pages we move forward. Okay, we've just moved one page. Okay, that's cool enough. So 3640. Paste. Okay, cool. So the country rank still remains the same and we'll continue with it. Okay. what to do. So what do you think? Existence of a username like this, would it accept it? No. Okay, let me try the same thing, double quotes, and say error inquiry. Okay, this is another one. So we still use double quotes here, and we can say, we cannot say or can we? Let me see. Okay, error inquiry. Okay, so we need some existing user, and we know that we're in native 15, so one of the native users must be existing here. So we'll just keep it as empty, or should we keep something here? So let me just try this. Okay, error inquiry. So we still need to use something like okay, we'll just remove this code. So let's see if it actually works. Okay, the user exists. Cool. So what do we need to do now? We found something. So let me try this with and as well, if it actually works. Okay, the user exists. And any other thing without this user does not exist. Cool. So what we need to do is we just need to keep this, and we just need something. Okay, so let's see, let me just intercept this. Done. And now let's send it to repeater for testing, and user exist. Let's see. So we'll just remove this one. We know that at the end double quotes need to be there. So let's see, let's say, and select. Okay, we'll just say that type as we go, URL encode as we type, and let's see, space length, we just find the length of password equals to 1, because it is not equals to 1, we know that. So from users table, where username equals to natus 16. Okay, so at the end we can keep this double quote, or we can just remove it with using hash. Okay, we'll just go with this. Let's see, it should generate user does not exist. If it generates anything other than that, okay, so error inquiry, we'll just remove the whole thing by using hash. Let's go. Okay, this user does not exist. Okay, let's send it to intruder. Let's brute force this number over here. Let's add, let's send it to payloads, numbers, and let's say 0 to, we don't have to say 0, I'll just say 2 to, let's say 20. Let's see. Okay, we still have some responses. Let's see, user does not exist. User does not exist. Okay, there's something need to be done. Okay, is it bigger than 20? Not sure. Have to see. Let's see. Let me send this one by one instead of doing this. Resource pool, create one, and resource pool password length equals to 1. Is it right? So we just end this one right here, and the password right here. and everything seems to be good from users, where username equals to native 30, and remove the rest. So let's start the attack. Let's see. Okay, does not respond with anything useful except this. It says user does not exist. And okay, let's increase the payload to 30. Start the attack. At some point it should reply with something weird. Okay, it doesn't. Let's do one thing. Let's see if I can keep a greater than symbol. At some point it should say doesn't exist or something. Okay, my bad. Start the attack. User does not exist. User does not exist. User does not exist. User should exist because it's greater than number. What's going on? Okay, username native 16 and select star from, okay, length password equals to this, from users where username equals to this and this. Okay, it's equals to 3D. How can I keep greater than? Okay, like this. Okay, cool, let's go. Okay, this user exists. Cool. Only this one. Okay, this user exists. What's going on? How can it be greater than 30? Doesn't make sense. Should I enclose this in a bracket? No, I don't need to. Let's do one thing. Let's say less than. User does not exist. User does not exist. User does not exist at all. So we're getting something out of this. Okay, we're just brute forcing the number anyway. Do you get anything, chat? Nothing. Okay, cool. No problem. We'll just try to use something. Let me use another kind of script. Okay, so we know that native 16 exists, and along with it, let's say select substring, not subscribe, and say password 1 1 from users where username equals to native 16, and we'll end it with this, and let's say like binary. Hey, let's see, this should actually work. Control U, and let's see, they should also have numbers, but they should also have numbers. Let me add both payloads. Let me add, I think if I get some number, that would be really good. Let me send this to repeat again. Okay, hang on. Coordinator 16 user does not exist. At some point it should exist because it should. Okay, send it to intruder and brute force this number, add numbers sequential 1 to 25, resource pool 1, go. Okay, it's kind of a big deal at this point. So let's say 50. How much big is the password anyway? Oh my god, it's 32. Okay, so that's why. 32 characters. Cool. I understand. So this time remove this and go to payloads and let's say passwords. So password first character from here, the position 1. Okay, so that's how it should be. So it's initially like its position should be added, and we should say that its position should be from 0 to 32 and total 33, but it's okay. And the next payload should be 1 itself, so we don't need to work on that, I guess. And this one needs to be added, and we should say that it starts from A, B, C, D's, capitals and everything. Okay, so we added it. Where is our payload 2? Not getting payload 2. What the hell? Okay, cluster bomb. Cool. So payload 2. This one's a brute forcer. Should we add capitals as well? Let me run with this. If it doesn't work, then we'll see. We already have a solution. Okay, let me see. Okay, we have 2 of them already, 3 of them, 4. What is this output? User doesn't exist. Why don't we speed up the process? In the meantime, let's see the chat. All right. It's already 1 hour. So it's just running the scan. It should be over any time. So I'll tell you a trick to actually select some of these things and say just have to wait a few more minutes. If it doesn't work, if it doesn't get 32 characters, I'd have to do the capital letters as well. So I'll make that ready. Caps on uppercase. Oh, it's just 2000. Should have done that. Okay, it's finished. We did not get 32. So probably we should just restart the scan, and we should say that we need a huge resource pool of 35 requests at once. We'll see how fast it goes. Okay, resource pool name. Okay, cool. Done. Oh, it's running like crazy. Wow, it's finished already. And we select all of these things. Okay, it's around 32. Right click, highlight to red, and we say to filters, show only highlighted items. And this highlighted items, we say payload 123, and we should just copy this thing. So not sure if I can find a way to copy this thing. Can I say I should not view this or something? Okay, so it's better if I just type the whole thing. Let's see. Native 16 and TRD7 ICR T5G ATJJ9 PKPEUO LFE JH, okay, JH QJ3 to capital B. Looks like not much, but it should be like 32 characters. Number of characters, let's see. How much? 31 characters. Am I missing something? 1 to 32 should have 32 characters, not 31. So TRD7 IZRD 5GAT JJ9 PKPEUO LFE JHQ J32V. Okay, everything's there. What does it say? It's 31 characters. Okay, the only one way to find out. Let's see. Okay, your answer seems wrong. Something's wrong. Turn, 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 turn. Okay, where did I mess up? It's pain in the ass. TRD7. Okay, TRD7 ICRD 5G A capital T JJ9 capital PK capital PE UO L F E JH Q J32V. Not sure what the thing's going on, but anyway, I'll just use some other character count. It still says 31. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, 21 is missing. Damn it. So something's wrong. Okay. Maybe the 21st character should be something like, okay. Okay, 21st character should be A. So with this, let's count. So EU. Okay, here you have A. Let's see. This should work. This should work. Okay, it's taking its time, so it's probably should work. It's aggressive anyway. Oh my god, it was a scary one. but anyhow we just bypass that, and current ranking is much better. 3586. Let's see. Country rank 52. Yes, it's still a day. Anyhow, cool. Let's move on to the next one. Don't scare me like that. Native 16. Oh my god. Native 16 should have this as the password, and done. All right. 10 10 10 10. Find words containing what? View source code. Let me view the source code, and let's see. So now it cannot accept all of these characters. So how am I supposed to do that? So this is the key. Interesting. So I have to say that it should start with something. Okay, so let's do one thing. So let's say dollar, and inside this say grep, and you should say start with a, and slash etc slash natus underscore web pass natus 17, and you should also say something over here. Let's say ASDF or something, but anyway, let's see. And it returns nothing, but we know that it returns something. This is a needle. Send it to intruder, and let's see, let me just brute force with the payloads and then discuss brute forcer and payloads, control AC, and then control V, and you say 1, and you say 1, and did I select the payload? No. This is the first payload, brute forcer, done. Let's see, resource pool, just 32, right? So 62. How come? Okay, 62. Cool. 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 10, and it should be done. Well, this is interesting. Output was nothing. Output should be something, which means we're doing something wrong. What wrong are we doing? Natus underscore web pass natus 17. Let me change this to something meaningful, something like 1. Let's see. Oh my god, capital X. Oh, this is like a blind injection right now. Interesting. Let's see. Let me just brute force. Can I brute force all of the characters? Okay, so I know X, right? So I can keep the capital X right there. So remember my choice. So I'll say capital X over here. Let's see, start the attack. This time K. Okay, seems to be working. K, start the attack. Capital E. Oh my god, it's gonna take a while. U, start the attack. Capital C, start the attack. H, start the attack. Capital E, start. Capital O. This is 0, so it's probably 0. Okay, cool. It's capital S, start the attack. It's B, start the attack. N, start the attack. Capital K, start the attack. Capital B, start the attack. V, start the attack. I have to do it until I cannot do it anymore. So it's 1. Capital R, capital U, it's U. 7, okay. S, what is this? L, L or capital I? Let me see. Capital I. You can't fool me. B. Okay. 9, U, U again. Capital L, M, O 45, it's capital I again. Let's see. 7. My god, how big is this payload? Okay. Okay. Oh my god, that's it. It's capital X. Okay, cool. So it should be 32 characters. Oh, it's 51. What the? It's 30. That was a small glitch, and we are back. Hmm, where were we? Okay, why does it say it's 30 characters? Ah, I'll have to check if it's saying the truth, because so hard to do that. We're having trouble. Try again. Resend again. So still something. Server not found. So can I reload this? Okay. So the internet seems to be down. Is internet working? Oh, internet working on the outside, but on the inside I might have to restart. What do you mean finding that site? The site is right here. Mm-hmm. Looks like I might have to restart the whole PC. I'll just save it before I restart this. Anyhow, it's closer. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Thank you for sending your love. I can feel it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Come on. Okay, it seems to be working. Let's see. Cherry tree. Okay, it says wrong. So we were so close in bringing that solution. So probably we'll just have to do that all over again. Let me see. It's native 16, not 15. Native 16. And this. Okay, we already have some solution over here. Till here seems good, right? So we'll just say this, and at the end select this and use sniper to brute force, and we'll just copy this and say 1 and 1, and we'll also go here, change convert case. Oh my god, Control AC and paste. Let's go. Now it's playing with me. Cool. I don't know what to say. Okay, it's this one that's causing the problem. Okay. Oops, sorry. Start the attack with this. Oh, it's 7. Let's remove this and keep 7. And we still have some characters left. Why didn't it detect it before? Okay, we still have something here, D. So that should be the end of it. Looks like there won't be any characters anymore. Okay, nothing, right? So this should be the solution. Let's see. It is 17. I'll just replace this with this. All right. Let's go back. Go here. Paste it. And we're back in business. What's my score? 3586. I just have to reload and we'll see the magic. Oh, we have father of physics. I just bypassed father of physics. Father of physics, bye bye. 3537, rank 50. I'll say 50. Father of physics. Let's keep at the rate Vedant. Okay. All right. I think I should push past my limit. Let's see. Anyhow, we'll just change those ranks and we'll move forward. 3537. Okay, cool. Now to native 18. Okay, so native 16. Okay, no, native 17. So I have to say native 17. I'm right here. And where's the solution? Right here. Native 17. And we're good to go. Cool. So it should be some username. It's the same thing. So this time we can check native 18. And let's say sleep 5. And then hash. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, blind injection. Let's go. We'll do the same thing that we did. Okay, this is for ports figure. Then why didn't it intercept this request? Okay, it intercepted now. So let's send it to intruder. And we'll do the same thing that we did before. Just remove till here and say select. Okay, it's not doing that. So URL encode as I type. Select substring and say password comma 1 comma 1 and say from users. Okay, sorry. Users where username equals to what? Native 18 and close the bracket and say like binary and then start with quotations a, end with quotations, and that should give enough solution. So we know that the payload is 32 bytes. We say 0 to 33 and let's go with 32. And what about payload 2? We have to say this and then this. Payload 2 will say brute forcer, and where is our brute forcer? Okay, cool. Control AV and we'll say 1 1. All right, 2046, that's the one we want, and we're gonna say we're gonna go for 35. That's much faster. So let's go. Let's see the chat. Okay, it's done. It's freaking confusing. So we need to add something to it. So we know that it's binary A, and so we need to add the sleep parameter as well. Okay, and then we say and sleep for 5 seconds, and this should work. Okay, so we need to filter out, we need to say settings. How can we do that? Okay, I think we have this thing. Oh my god, sorry. Oh, response received. Okay, it's greater than 5. Okay, should be 32. And rest of them are less than a minute, less than 2 seconds. So I'm gonna highlight these things this time with blue, and then I'm gonna say highlight only show, and this should be working. Okay, cool. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32. Okay, this time I don't have any problem with the numbers. Let's see. Nate is 18. 8 N E D U U X G 8 K F G P V 8 4 U L W, and then V capital Z K G N 6 O K J Q and 6 A Q 6. Okay, it should be 32. Let's see if it works. Tell me well done, Vichal. Okay, I did well. Okay, so my current rank is 3477. Let me get one more rank and then I'll stop. All right. One more country rank. Let's see. It is 18. Okay, I think I turned on the proxy. I think I should stop the proxy. Proxy stop. Nate is 18 and done. Okay, we got this thing again. User credentials. Let's see. Let's see this. And let's see. We have nothing over here. Send it. Let's see. Let's see what I received. Okay, we received PHP session ID, and it's very predictable, don't you think? So let's send it. Okay. Session prediction. What to do? So let's reload and let's see what happens. login as admin, right? So let's reload. And this time PHP session ID is going from us. So we'll just send it to intruder and say attack this payload. Numbers 0 to, let's say, 700, and resource pool, go. And what am I expecting? I'm expecting different length in result, and we have plenty of different results. Interesting. Okay, look at that. 119 has a different response, and it says, okay, this is the latest 19 password. Cool. Thank you. Thank you, Natus. I was looking for the same thing. And delete. Let's go. Move it, move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. All right. One more country rank. Push me above. Global ranking page 70. Now send me to 69. Okay, did not send me. Oh, you sent me to 69. That's cool. I'm 49 right now. Amazing, amazing. Let's see, 49, 3422. Click this, done. Okay, cool. Now, okay, we still have the same thing, but sessions ID is no longer sequential. So we do the same thing and we do the reload, not reload, we'll just send the request, and we should have the same request with the PHP session ID. So we don't know the session ID, so it's not predictable. So what can we do? Let's copy this and let's go to decoder and let's see ASCII hex. Okay, so whatever we type, it just says a number and then this. So if you say admin, so it should give admin, right? Interesting. So let's send it to, ooh, let's see, I'm not sure what to do right now. So let's send it to sequencer and start capture live. Should I say start capture live? Interesting. Okay, let's see. Okay, location configuration, what do you mean? Okay, should I capture? Okay, maybe I need to send this request to capture the session ID. And let me say, okay, let me send it to repeater and say admin. Okay, so now send it to repeater and send this one to sequencer and say, okay, let's remove this one and cookie, yes, capture live. Let's go. Are we getting anything? Okay, I think at least we need to get to 600 so that we can analyze something. Okay, analyze now. So characters. Okay, we need at least 1,000 for this. So BI analysis settings. I think we can stop. Auto analyze. Okay. Character level with testing. Stop. Yes. Analyze now. Characters. Okay. Let's see. Copy tokens. Paste. Control AC. Go to decoder. Say this. Okay. So we're seeing a pattern, right? Admin is not never changing. So let me take one of them. I don't need all of them, right? So I'm gonna say I just need you, buddy, and I don't need all of these things. So I'm gonna say get rid of these things and also remove admin. Okay, so this is the number that we want. So first 6 characters, right? Or let me see. Let me take one of them again. And okay, this 2D is different, right? So 2D. So before 2D, I have to say it numbers and then I should say convert into hex. All right, so before 2D. Interesting. So what should I say now? So I think I can say that. Cool. Remove. And then say, let's go to proxy, intruder, and say before 2D, we just select this and go to payloads, numbers, and then say 700 as usual. And payload pre-processing, add rules, convert it into hex. Hex, where are you, hex? Encode, ASCII code hex. Okay, let's see. Start the attack. Is it fast enough? I think it's fast enough. Yes, buddy. It's fast enough. Should I? Did I miss something? Okay, it should log in as admin to retrieve some data. Not getting much though. That's interesting. I need to see what kind of response it actually brought us. So in this case, it would select the number and then it would encode it as hex. Okay, let's start the attack. Let's see one of the payloads. Oh my god. This is what it's trying to do. Okay, so that's why. Why did it work that way? Okay. So I shouldn't use those numbers. So I should use those numbers. Number format hex. Let's see. Well, huh. It's interesting. Max integers, max integers 3. Examples 3, 3 to 1. Okay. Payload pre-processing. Let's see. Start the attack. Okay. Still doing the same thing. So if it is number 2, it's going 30. Oh, look at that. That's a huge response. Initialize string offset. Please log in as admin. Let me see if I got any different responses. Nothing. Cool. Exit. What else should I do? I'm running out of ideas to work these things out. If it is 393, it should actually say 333932 and see. Okay, it's 2C. Okay, 2D, sorry. So, any ideas, chat? Okay. We got so many viewers that we cannot say the chat. Let's think. So the dash admin actually work. But it's the problem with the this thing. Let me say 4 digits. Still the payload count doesn't change. Let's say 1,000. Mm-hmm. Hmm. There is some different response. Okay. IDs in a session IDs in a sequential says nothing. Says nothing. 66, nothing. What does it tell us then? 66, 67, 31, got nothing. Hmm. So this one really says admin. So I need to check. This one actually says admin. Okay, this one says ASDF admin. That's a problem. So encode as hex. I mean ASCII hex. So this is the one need to be worried about. What? Cannot change it? Okay. Okay, cool. Let's go. Finally, we got some response. Okay, cool. That was my mistake. I didn't see that properly though. Okay. Anyhow, let me go here, paste it, enter. That would probably push me to the next rank. I mean, next page. 3401. Okay, I've been moved to next page, and 3367 and 49. So I would probably move. Okay, 49. Okay, it's almost 2 hours and we got some results, and I'm less than 50 in country rank, so that's a good achievement. So that's cool. So I'll stop here. And, let me just log into Natus 20, and it actually looks like it's pretty big. Okay, so I better do that one then. So Natus 20. So did I paste it over here? Not yet. Okay, let's move on to the next one, which is Natus 20. This one's pretty easy, but Natus 20. Okay, so your name, this. So you can actually debug using debug function, and then you get this. So you get all of these things. Okay, that's cool. So what you can do is that can say as the parameters, say name equals to something, so send it to repeater, and then say a %0a, which would give us this space. I think it's %0a is new line. This would give us this thing. Okay, so I need to just encode this. Okay, that just popped up right away. Okay, cool. And let's use that. Let's close this and say this one is the new one, and then say go here, paste it, detext it. Solomon, move me to the next thing. Okay, 3315. Where should I save it? Okay, here. $49 still. Okay, so is the next one a big one? Not sure. Okay, anyhow, we got till rank 49 and 3315, so we'll continue from there tomorrow. All right, I'll see you next time.